Remo Secondary School, shine forth the light.
Secondary school, shine forth the light. Remo Secondary School, shine forth the light. Remo Secondary School, shine forth the light.
I know you are very much aware that we are having the celebration for our grade school very soon. RSS at 80 celebration, and you have also been told, if you are online you might have been seeing it, this is part of the Ashwebi. We have the Ankara also. Peradventure you are here to get your own, you are free to pay in to the right account, and I'm sure the class governor must have been added to the special platform where we have the national president and the class governors. So we'll be expecting you. We're looking forward to seeing you. So you are feel free to come into the secretariat, ask questions or whatever you need to know and whatever you want to know about RSS as a school. We're also looking forward to your own contribution also. No matter how little it is, we want to feel your impact. We want your name to be written in gold also. So when you get back home, meet with your members, discuss with them, and be around that day. Come and celebrate gloriously with all your members. So we are waiting for you. For the national president, Are Adetola Emmanuel King, and all ESCO members of ROSA and all other stakeholders of Remo Secondary School Students Association, I present this to you. The class set of 2014-2020, we welcome you into ROSA family today, the 8th day in the month of November, year 2025. On behalf of our national president of ROSA, Are Adetola Olaniyi Olaonipekun Emmanuel King, I present this to you today. The members of 2015-2021 class set, we welcome you into ROSA family today, the 8th day in the 11th month in year 2025. You are all welcome. So congratulations. Congratulations.
I see a daddy when you with it turn up.